Hello, today I'm here to show you one of my projects from Portland Art and Soul. It's called the Mechanical Flying Bird. Say hello to my little friend. So this was done in a class with Charley, cool name, huh? And Kerin, Gale, and they created the mechanism and invented the mechanism that makes the bird fly. And then we got to attach it to the can and then decorate it with this nice little copper dome and painting and chicken wire and collage and all kinds of little metal ephemera pieces and such, which I could probably add more and more of them for days and days. But I don't have that much time right now. So, oh, there's Romeo. And it had a lovely base that Charley and Kerin made for us in class, but mine broke on the way home. It was in my luggage. So I put a carousel base on mine. It actually has music. Let's see. Now I can't make it go. Oh, there we go. So that's kind of cool. But it really does fly, which is really cool. Oh, he's flying away. Come back. Aha. Pretty nifty, huh? It's one of my favorites. So, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta.